How to change keyboard language on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Tap on Keyboards at the top. You can choose a keyboard from here. If you want to add a new keyboard, then tap on Add New Keyboard below. Over here, scroll down to explore all the keyboard languages available. Select the language that you want. For example, Albanian. Now, go back and open up the Messages app. In the Messages page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Here, go to the text bar below and tap on it to open the keyboard. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner. Select the language at the bottom. As you can see, you are now using the Albanian keyboard. Following these steps, you can easily change keyboard language on iPhone.